tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make roux. Roux is a pretty cool way to thicken up sauces and soups and stuff at home. And it's really easy to make. So you can make it with any kind of fat. Butter, oil. I saved some bacon fat, and that's what I'm going to be making it with today. So basically what we got is an equal part of the fat to an equal part of flour. So I got about a half cup of bacon fat in there. I'm going to put about a half cup of flour. See what that looks like. I like a wooden spoon for this. Mix that all up. What we're looking for is like the consistency of wet sand. So that's like really wet sand. I don't want that wet, so I'm going to add a little more flour. And that's what I'm looking for. See how it's starting to kind of come together there? And that's perfect. And all you gotta really cook this for is until you get a little bit of a nutty aroma. And it doesn't really take that long. And that's it. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and you'll know when the new videos come out. Adios.